Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we about to get to it. Listen, I made a recent trip back to Mobile, Alabama, and one thing I love about going back there is the seafood. And when you order seafood there, they mostly come with them hush puppies. And man, I forgot how much I love some hush puppies. So today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make Creole shrimp stuffed hush puppy. We're gonna do it a little bit different. Get in the kitchen, let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and do a rundown of what we got. Back here we have our shrimp. Now I chopped these babies up in really fine pieces like this. Now keep in mind, you can also use crawfish tails if you want. You can also use lobster tails if you want to dice those up. For me, shrimp is more cost effective at the moment. Cornmeal, flour, buttermilk, baking powder, 1 egg, green onions, salt, celery, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and smoked paprika in this dish, chopped parsley, and we have some Creole seasoning there. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare our flour mixture, and we're gonna add our cornmeal here, our flour here, baking powder, salt, black pepper, and Creole seasoning. And we're gonna give that baby a quick mix. Oops, I just seen this. I forgot our cayenne pepper and our smoked paprika. Let's mix that up again. All right, so now we're good. So you can taste your flour, make sure that it's seasoned how you want it. That's totally up to you, or just move forward. All right, so now we're gonna move this aside. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is prepare our buttermilk and egg mixture. And I'm gonna leave it right here in my measuring cup because I got enough space for it. We're gonna add our egg here, our parsley, green onions, and our celery. And we're gonna get this baby mixed up. Just like that. Now we're gonna move this aside, bring back over our bowl. Now we're gonna take our mixture, we're gonna add it here, and we're going to get that mixed up. Once you get that about 80% mixed, you want to go in with your shrimp or crawfish tails or lobster, totally up to you. And we're gonna go back in and get that baby mixed up. All right, guys, that's what we have. Let's continue. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a scooper like this, and we're gonna start scooping our mixture. I don't know what diameter this one is, guys. Check it out like that. And we're just going to roll that baby up like this. Just to kind of get in a ball shape. Set that baby there. All right, so let's go ahead and continue. All right, guys, so it looks like we are good. Let's see, I got about, what, that's 5, 4. It looks like I got about 20 here, hush puppies. Nice sizes too, let me show you. Nice size hush puppies right here. So now we're gonna move over to our stove, get our oil heated up so we can drop them bad babies in there. So now that we're at our stove, we've heated it up to 350 degrees. We're gonna start dropping these babies in here. And we're gonna let these babies cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they're golden brown. All right, guys, so we're about 3 minutes in. Guys, take a look at this right here, man. We're gonna go ahead and get these babies removed on the resting rack, and we're gonna come back, all right? And guys, there you have it. Creole shrimp stuffed Hush Puppies. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control so we test these babies out. All right, let's go. All right, guys, it's quality control time. You know we're gonna bring out groceries to the front of the congregation. Man, look at that. Ooh, baby. Them Hush Puppies. So I was just in Mobile maybe about 2 weeks ago, man, and I had me some delicious seafood. And man, when you eat seafood, especially down in Mobile, it always come with them Hush Puppies. And I was like, man, you know what? I miss these Hush Puppies. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm going to get to eating. And I typically eat my Hush Puppies with some hot sauce. Yeah, you know how we do it down in Mobile, Alabama. So I'm gonna throw a little hot sauce on it. Some people use like a horseradish dip or whatever, but I'll eat mine with hot sauce, all right? So let's go ahead and give these babies a try. Oh man. Oh man. And I love the touch that the shrimp add to it. Let me sit this down while I finish this video. Everything about this particular recipe was on point. The seasoning was on point. Adding the celery, the onions, all that stuff mixed into that one little ball along with the shrimp. Unbelievable flavor, guys. Definitely add this one to your list. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.